Hello all, in this video we are going to see how to hide or unhide the data and how to create hierarchical data and how to create folders. Okay. For that I'm using the same Superstore data. Double click. It will take you to the Tableau page. So sorry, if you want to hide customer name, so select that and then click on that. Click on the drop down and then click hide. So now the data is hidden. So now you could see a little bit here and notice show hidden fields. So since we have hidden customer name, you would also see product ID, row ID, customer ID, and some other attributes are also in lighter color. Okay, so that means those were also hidden in previously. So if you want to unhide it, so what you need to do is again select this and unhide. So this is how you would be able to hide or unhide columns. And the next thing is hierarchical data. So if you look at here, so for example, location, you notice here a little bit hierarchy thing, and for product also you see a little bit hierarchy, category, subcategory, manufacturer, and product name. Whereas for location also you see country, region, state, city, postal code. Okay, so what you need to do is let's remove hierarchy by selecting that and drop down thing. So remove hierarchy. So once I removed hierarchy, what's happening here is I have splitted all my hierarchy. So what now in my hierarchy I have country. No, this is not in hierarchy. But if I want to put this as a hierarchy, what I need to do is after country, I should be able to drag and drop my state to the country. Wait a second. Select state, drag and drop to country. Okay, and you could rename this as location. So I have two. What else we need to do? State, city, right? I have to search for this. City is there. Oh, city is here. If you drag and drop to the country city, and if you want to do it as a state city, just drag and drop to the state. And then postal code, city, drag and drop postal code to the city, it would be able to get postal code. What else? I think we have these in our location, right? So this is hierarchy now. So this is how we created hierarchy. You can drag and drop this location to the columns. And if you notice here, when you drag and drop the location, you didn't get the location. However, you get the at the top hierarchy level, which is country or region. Okay, and if you click on that, you'll be able to get state. When you click on state, you'll be able to get city and then postal zip code. Okay, so if you transpose this rows and columns, you could be able to see United States and then its particular state, city, postal zip code. Okay, so this is basically the ABC is a location, the string value. Okay, this is basically creating hierarchical data. And the next one is creating folders. What you need to do is for creating folders, see, you have lots of data attributes here. People may get confused what attributes that I'm using for my project, and some attributes you may not even touch them. So what happens is you can scroll down to the bottom, and whenever you notice anything it's empty, just just click on that. You could, one second, I suggest you not to select and then right click on anything and then select the group by and then folder. Okay, So now nothing will happen, and then you could go to the bottom, and at the end you could do right click again and then create folder, and you could say that this is my folder that I'm using. I'm creating a folder here called my folder. The folder has been created on the top, and if you want, you could drag and drop whatever the attributes that you want to save for your project, maybe customer name, and then I would be able to do the person. I'm just dragging and dropping. So this way I'm using all my attributes of this particular folder. If you want to delete your folders, just right click on it and remove folder. Okay. So in this video we have seen how to hide or unhide the attributes of the data, and how to create hierarchical data, and then creating folders and removing them. Okay. Thank you.